So I'm just going to go through a couple of tips on how to set up the pallet on your 3D. So this is your normal setting. So I've got my menu hidden to the side at the moment just so that I can get a bit of a wider screen. So hit menu, drops down, pallet. It's currently on pallet 6. There's no set pallet that you should use. It's down to you, so experiment with the different pallets. So pallet, we've got 9 choices on there. So just randomly, I'm going to go to pallet 8 and you'll see that starts to change the different contours on the bottom, showing us there. Also a little bit of dot in there, which is a small shoal of bait fish that was sitting on the bottom. In the 6, when that comes up, it shows us red dots. I personally like that. It just gives me a little bit more clarity when I'm concentrating on my fishing, my depths, everything else. I want to be able to see it at an instant. And then once you've finished doing that, all I'm going to do, back, menu slid to the side, and it's carried on, giving me the full view. If I want to just change it in my normal sonar settings, page button at the top, back on to my main menu, sonar, and this gives us our basic sonar. This at the moment is in 13. I like this for the definitions that I get on the bottom. When I'm fishing for zander on the reservoirs, they tend to really hug the bottom, and this will give me a lot more definition of the signature of the fish on the bottom. You could see there were clearly fish holding off of that hump. We're in a weir pool at the moment, as you can see behind us. So where the flow has come down, these fish are going to be just sitting behind that hump, so that as the food comes towards them, they're out the current, they're not expending too much energy, and they can come up and intercept that food. So that's what you got there. Same on here, menu, view, palette. A lot more options on here, so we're down to like 14, so we can change it there, put it into 14, bit darker. I just really like, for my fishing, but that's me, so you just play around with these to get them to suit yourself.